Hello, everyone. This pandemic has taught us one thing, that we all need to build our inner immunity. While we are doing things like exercising, doing yoga, eating the right food, there are people who have come out of COVID and are feeling very weak. The advisory to them is to take care of their lungs, to build lung capacity, to strengthen their lungs. Lungs, being the most sensitive part of the body, needs a step by step build up of capacity and strength. There are these friends of mine who came out of COVID. They were feeling very weak. They didn't know what to do. They didn't know where to start. So we designed a 4-week program for them, which consisted of asanas, pranayam, and some relaxation techniques. And we found that they were able to bounce back to their original level of strength, to their original level of energies. So the key to this program is regularity. If you are regular with doing what we are suggesting or what we are sharing, I'm sure that you will feel better and bounce back to your original level of strength. I hope you gain by this program, and thank you for listening. So let's start. We'll start with a few shoulder movements. So all you have to do is stand comfortably and just move your shoulders up and backwards. Do this 10 times. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And now reverse the order and do 10 more. All you have to do is be comfortable, stretch yourself as much as you can, keep your hands firmly by the side, and complete 10 rounds. Now, a small advice here. If you feel that any numbers that we are giving here is making you tired, please do lesser numbers. You will soon build up your capacity, you'll soon build up your endurance, you'll soon build up your strength to be able to cover those numbers. So don't be dejected, don't feel that you can't do 10, do 5 to start with, not an issue. But I can assure you that you will build it up to whatever we are trying to share together. Now the next one. So the next one is very simple. Keep your hands over your head like this. Keep your arms pulled backwards. And all you have to do is, feet are a little apart. Just inhale through your nostrils and go up. Stretch yourself up completely. Now you can stay here for as long as it is comfortable. Continue to breathe. Do not hold your breath, please. Please continue to breathe. Maintain that stretch. Keep pulling yourself higher and higher, and very gently come back, coordinating the movement of your hands coming down and your feet coming down. So we'll do this 5 times. Stretch, stretch, stretch. You will feel the stretch in the front part of the stomach and in your calf muscles. And maintain that stretch. Continue to pull yourself higher and higher. And gently come back. For the 3rd time, inhale and go up. Continue to breathe in the extreme position. Your inhaling is only through the nostrils, keeping your mouth closed. And pull, pull, pull up, pull up, pull up. So that was 3 times. And inhale and go up again. Pull yourself higher, pull yourself higher. Continue to breathe. So that makes it 5. And after this, relax. Normalize your breathing. Recharge what you have spent. Okay, so now the next one, put your hands on your shoulders and bring your elbows together in front and make a big circle with your arms, taking them right back. So that's 3, that's 4. Continue to breathe normally. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now reverse the order. In case your hands are not coming closer in the front, doesn't matter. Bring it as close as possible, and you'll find that as you go along, you will be able to bring them closer and the shoulders will open up. When you do this 10 times, after that relax. Normalize your breathing. Now the next step that we'll do, or the next set of asanas that we'll do, will be sitting down. So we will sit down and do the next set of asanas. This is the sitting postures for week 1, clip 1. So what we do is, we sit comfortably like this, no strain, just rest your body using your arms, and all we are doing is, we are moving our toes away from you and towards you, as much away from you as towards you. Nothing else is moving except your toes. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, and relax. So you just move your toes, try and stretch them as far away from you as towards you. Now the next one, your ankles. So push them down and towards you. Push them down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Pull it towards you as much as you can and push it down as much as you can. Keep your feet firmly on the ground. And relax. Now the third one, put your feet together and rotate. Now the idea here is to rotate them in coordination. Let them not go haywire. So all you have to do is go anti-clockwise, all 4 sides, as much away from you as towards you and to the sides. Use those extreme points in touching your feet to those extreme points, and do it 10 times in one direction, and reverse the direction. Again, ensure that all 4 sides are getting stretched. On all 4 sides you are stretching your feet. Okay, relax. Now for the knees. Very simple. There is a gap between the lower part of the knee and the floor or the mat. All you have to do is, both together, all you have to do is crunch your knees in a way that this gap gets filled. That's all I'm doing. So you fill that gap, hold it there for as long as it's comfortable, and then release. Crunch, fill that gap, hold it there for as long as you can, as long as it is comfortable, and then release. So we'll do this 10 times. So that's 4, crunch, hold, pull it down as much as you can, and relax. Pull it down as much as you can, try and fill this gap, and release. Crunch, and release. Crunch, now for clip 2, we will sit like this and fold our left leg, bring it up as wherever we can reach. We can reach here, we can reach here, eventually we will reach here. So wherever you can comfortably take this leg, please take it there. Hold it there with this arm. Support yourself with this arm. Support your body with this arm. And all we have to do is hold it here and flap. Flap this leg, flap this knee. Cover as much area as you can. The idea is not to hit the ground. That will happen. But eventually, we are trying to open our hip joint. So cover as much area as you can. Bring it as high as you can and take it as low down as you can. And as I said, this leg can be anywhere. It could probably reach here to start with. But as you go along, try and bring it up into the groin, as close to the groin as possible, and flap it. So wherever you can start, please start. Don't feel that I'm not able to reach this foot to the groin. Doesn't matter. Reach it here and do it. And soon you will find that it will be here, and then it will be here, and then it will be here. So the body is very receptive. The body listens to you, but you also must listen to the body. If you feel any pain, if you feel any discomfort, stop and do not do it for a day or so, because the body is telling you it's hurting. So listen to your body also. Now the other side, very comfortable. Again, take it wherever you can. One side will always be better than the other. So just wherever you can go, just go up to that point. Eventually, this is what we are trying to achieve, and flap it. Cover as much area as you can. The idea is the movement, the coverage of the area. Stretch it out. Stay in this position and normalize your breathing. So this would be all for clip 2. For week 1, clip 3, we are going to sit in something we call Vajrasan, which you are familiar with probably. And all we have to do is sit on our heels. Now, for people who have done it before, it might be comfortable for them. But for people who have never done it before, or it is uncomfortable right now to sit like this, please use cushions. Please put 2 cushions here, 2 cushions here, 2 cushions here. These are the 3 areas which are compressed, which are under pressure. So if you put cushions in these areas, not an issue. You will soon find that you will not need the cushions. But don't make yourself uncomfortable, because this posture is putting a lot of pressure on your knees, on your ankles. So don't torture yourself, as yoga says. So continue to just sit like this for a while, and that is all we want you to do. This you must do after your meals. Every day. It helps in digestion. This is your second heart. This starts pumping. Your heart gets rest because this takes over. And the idea is to keep your body absolutely straight, keep your spine straight, and sit like this. And this you can do, you must do after a meal, because it helps in digestion and it relaxes the heart. Sit like this for as long as you can, for a minute, 2 minutes, and eventually you will find that it's so comfortable that you can sit like this for 5 minutes, 10 minutes. So to start with, whatever time is comfortable to sit in, please do that. And as I said, make it a routine to sit like this after a meal. All you have to do is just sit here, keep your body straight, keep your spine straight, and continue to breathe. So this is all for week 1, clip 3, sitting down posture. This is the starting position. Your knees are shoulder width apart, your feet are shoulder width apart. And all you have to do is you have to take your right hand, make a circle with it and take it and touch your heel and bring your left hand at shoulder level. Don't take it here, don't take it here. It's at shoulder level. Drop your head back, slide back a little bit, arch your back and breathe. As I said, you determine the number of breaths that you can hold that posture for and continue to enhance that inhale and complete that exhale, because what we are doing with each asana posture also is that we are trying to enhance our lung capacity. So don't miss out on your breathing pattern. Enhance that as much as you can in each of the asanas that you are doing with us. The other part is with the left hand. Go here. Keep your right hand straight. Arch back, drop your head back and breathe. Breathing only through the nostrils, mouth remaining closed, as deep as you can go. As I said, numbers are up to you. Whatever your strength permits, whatever your energy levels permit, please do those numbers and you'll soon find that you are able to go further and further in the numbers. Sitting in Vajrasana, all we have to do is put our hands at the back. Palms are facing outwards and just drop your head back, arch your back and breathe. Sit in Vajrasana and raise your hands and go down. Stretch your hands out as much as you can. Continue to breathe in this position. If you can't touch your head, your forehead to the mat, doesn't matter. Stay wherever you can go comfortably and continue to breathe. Hands are completely stretched out. Keep pushing them outwards. In this, we will put our left leg under our right hip, the right leg over your left knee, and right hand behind you. Place it like this, just for support. Take this hand and place it on the floor. Twist your body and look over your right shoulder. Continue to breathe. Stay there as long as it's comfortable and come back. First bring your arm back. First release the twist. Bring your left arm out. Then release the leg and change sides. So your right leg under your left hip. Your left leg goes over your right knee. Your left hand is behind you. Your hand is placed this way. And twist your body. Look over your shoulder. Twist as much as you can. And breathe. Put the soles of your feet together and pull them as much towards your groin as you can. Use your hands, pull them here and just flap your legs. Don't worry about how far down they can go. Just cover as much area as you can. Continue to breathe. Don't hold your breath anywhere, please. For as long as you can do this, as comfortably as you can do this, this will help you open your groins and your hip joints. Though we are doing very simple asanas and pranayama, you may be dealing with certain things which do not allow you to do certain asanas or do pranayama. So please consult your doctor whether you can do what you are told to do here, what we are sharing with you. So do consult them before starting on anything. Although they are very simple things, but we do not know what you are dealing with. So do consult your doctor on this before you start the series. We are standing, feet a little apart. No movement is going to happen in the feet. We are just going to be moving our hands. Keep them crossed in front of you. Inhale, take your hands up, cross them above your head. Exhale, come to shoulder level. Inhale, go up again, cross them above your head. And exhale, come down and cross them in front of you. So inhale, exhale, inhale, and exhale. Inhale, exhale, inhale, and exhale. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Inhale, the numbers you will decide based on your energy level, how tired you get after doing how many rounds. You determine that. Do at least 10 rounds. If in the beginning you can't do 10 rounds, do whatever you can. And then build it up to 10 rounds. So I hope you enjoy this. And this is very good for blood supply to the brain. It enhances blood supply to the brain. It is very good for the shoulders, rounded shoulders, and has a lot of benefits. This is week 1, clip 1, our pranayama practice. So we will learn how to do 3-tier breathing, yogic breathing. So first, even if you have been doing yoga, we are trying to regain, recharge our lungs. We are trying to build capacity there, and we are trying to strengthen them. So even if you have been doing yoga, you would be able to recognize what we are trying to do. And first we will put our hand here. This is only for sensation that the stomach is coming out when you are inhaling and the stomach is going in when you are exhaling. One more thing I want to add here. If you can't sit like this for a while, then sit on a chair. No issues at all. The idea is to just keep your spine straight and your body erect. So if you can't sit on the floor, sit on a chair and do it. So don't feel that since you can't sit on the floor, you can't do this. Please sit on a chair, be comfortable, and then do this practice. So what we're going to do is we're going to inhale, bring our stomach out, ensure that it is coming out when we are inhaling. And when we are exhaling, don't push it in. This is the hand is here only for sensation. Let the body pull the stomach in and while exhaling. So this will go like this. You're breathing only through your nostrils. That was 2. That is 3. 4. Exhale, take your stomach in as much as you can, squeeze it in completely, and start when you start inhaling, start bringing your stomach out. And relax. While you're relaxing, I'll tell you where to put your arms, your hands. This is where your rib cage is. Your rib cage ends here. Your thumb is at the back. Your four of your fingers are in front, sitting up straight. And all you have to do is continue to inhale and ensure that these arms are moving outwards. So continue to inhale till these arms, the hands move outwards a little bit. They will collapse back when you start exhaling. That's 2. 3. Exhale. 4. And 5. And relax. Normalize your breathing. Take 3-4 normal breaths. Then the third part of this is putting your fingers here on your collarbone. So place your arms, you place your palms like this on your chest and continue to breathe. Keep your body straight, keep your spine straight. Continue to breathe till you feel these fingers slightly moving upwards. Exhale, they will fall back to the normal position. So that was 2. You might have to exert yourself a little bit here, but we are trying to build capacity. So inhale, exhale. That was 3. 4. And 5. And relax. Normalize your breathing. Take 4-5 normal breaths. Close your eyes while you do this. It's very soothing. It's very relaxing. Check your breathing pattern. Visualize your stomach moving inwards when you're exhaling and coming out while you're inhaling. But normalize your breathing now. From here straight away, we'll go into a 3-minute meditation program. Today what we're going to do is we're just going to sit straight. As I said, you could be sitting like this or you could be sitting on a chair. The idea is to just relax yourself, let your body loose, ensure that your shoulders and your neck are absolutely relaxed. There's no stress, no tension there. And just sit like this. Do nothing else. Just let your thoughts come and go. Become an observer of your thoughts. Watch them from standing apart. is very relaxing. I've done it only for a short while. What I suggest is that you continue to do this. Time yourself, put an alarm, do this for 5 minutes. You're doing yourself a lot of good. The body is totally relaxed, your breath is flowing inside very comfortably without any effort. So enjoy this for 5 minutes. Please put an alarm and do this, timing yourself for 5 minutes. I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope you're gaining by whatever we are sharing with you, and in building your strength and in building your lung capacity. Thank you for listening.